Nestled on the banks of Godavari River, Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami Temple in Bhadrachalam, Telangana is revered as Dakshina Ayodhya, Ayodhya of the South. This is where Lord Rama is believed to have lived during his exile, and where Bhakta Ramadasu's unwavering devotion led to the miraculous intervention of Lord himself. The temple uniquely enshrines Kalyana Rama, depicting Rama in a Padmasana posture with Sita seated on his lap and Lakshmana stands to his left. The grand Kalyana Mahotsavam, celestial wedding, held here annually is a celebration of divine union, devotion and righteousness. As we journey through Kshetrayanam, we pay homage to this sacred site through Kalyana Rama, a beautiful composition by Uthukada Venkata Subbayar, emphasizing the divine marriage of Sri Rama and Sita. Set in melodious Hamsanada Ragam and Aditalam, this item reflects the grace, bhakti and celestial love, embodying the spiritual essence of Bhadrachalam and bringing its divine energy to life. Performers are Aruna Kare, Reena Rajput and Sharanya Varadan.
Kalyana Rama Kalyana Rama Raghurama Rama Kalyana Rama Raghurama Rama Kanakamakuda Maragada Manilola Hara Dasharatha Balasira Kanakamakuda Maragada Manilola Hara Dasharatha Balasira Kalyana Rama Raghurama Rama Kanakamakuda Maragada Manilola Hara Dasharatha Balasita Kalyana Rama Agada Suravara Munijana Sajjana Aganita Janagana Ghoshita Mangala Agada Suravara Munijana Sajjana Aganita Janagana ಜನಕ ಜಾರಮಣ ಮನೋಹರ ಸೀರಾ ಜನಕ ಜಾರಮಣ ಮನೋಹರ ಸೀರಾ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ರಘುರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ